Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss about the new discoveries I made about EHang. I'm actually surprised and I'm sure you will be too. You might not know that EHang has a daughter company. Did you saw this logo before? If not, then I will let you know in this video what they are doing. But first of all, welcome to High School Dropout's Advice. If you need subtitles, please click on the subtitle button right here. Through Patreon, you can get into our Discord community where you can get directly in touch with me and other subscribers. The stock closed at $23.45 per stock on Friday, and we are trading at a market cap of 1.28 billion. Considering the growth stock sell-off on Friday, EHang did quite well defend its ground. If you want to buy stocks and cryptocurrency and need a brokerage account, or you want a second brokerage account, I can recommend you Webull. You can trade Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum and any other cryptocurrency on Webull. You would get 4 free stocks up to $1,850 per stock when you deposit at least $100. I think the lowest amount I got from the stocks was $3 per stock, so that you would get at least $12. The advantage Webull has, you can trade before and in the after markets, which helps you to be one step ahead of others. You can find the link down below in the description. If you check the WIPO website, which stands for the World Intellectual Property, you can read that EHang has applied for 318 domestic patents, 43 foreign patents and 76 international patent applications under the Patent Cooperation Treaty. If short sellers think that EHang lacks innovation, they should check the patent applications. If you look for Joby Aviation, you can find 75 search results. I'm not talking about the quality of the patents, but we can agree that EHang got more in quantity. I just cannot judge the quality because I'm not a technical guy. Despite finding a couple of pictures, we also find a patent for an air logistic robot. You might remember that I told you that EHang would do several tests in Europe in different cities with different tasks. One task was helping ships to unload at the harbor with drones. Reading the description, it makes it pretty clear. The logistic robot, which will be part of a smart drone, will have a tracking device, loading device, processing device, and it can automatically recognize goods to be transported and the position of the goods according to the task instruction and feeds the goods back to the processing device. They also have unmanned aerial vehicle flight formation interaction system to prevent collisions and enable them to fly in formations. This is what they use for the light shows. I want to show you what I found out. You can see that CEO Huahuaji was the inventor of many devices and items. Feel free to check out the website and you can see that Huahuaji did a lot of the work himself, especially in the early days of the company. Most of the inventions were from him. I talked in my last video that EHang wants to manage the infrastructure. In late 2018, the first command and dispatch city was built in Guangdong province. This is how it looks like now. You might not be aware, and I was not aware of this fact too. EHang is operating with another name in Hezhou, where many of the new developments are taking place. This is their logo, and the whole website of theirs is in Chinese, and you need to use Google Translate to translate it. If you want to visit the website, it's called xyehang.cn. This is a picture where they have placed 3,500 drones for practicing flight formations for the light show I showed you in my previous videos. I'm not a technical guy, but if EHang manage 3,500 small unmanned drones and choreograph a light show without an accident, they should have the base technology for many passenger drones to fly safely from A to B without colliding. I want to remind you the last two patents which I showed you will be really helpful. The other patents was recognizing obstacles, flying around them, and even identifying the object to grab. We can agree that EHang is more ahead than we know. It's so interesting that we find out more about EHang on a daily basis. There's so much that EHang did not present to the investor. The more I look into EHang, the more I feel we have a unique situation here. There are so many hidden facts and fundamentals which are mostly bullish for the company. Also interesting that this Hejao company is looking to hire as well. We see that it's a smaller team and it seems like it's more for testing the drones. The big development at the moment is in the Guangdong, Macau, Hong Kong area. And if you have wondered where the Yunfu plant is, if we zoom a little closer, we can see that the Yunfu plant has a commercial and a residential district. And the Yunfu plant is in a commercial area. You can see the companies and you see the big plant when we zoom in. From another perspective, you can see the whole plant with the green port at the front of the company. At the end of this month, it's Investor Day, where all investors can tour the Yunfu plant. The CAAC certification of the EH216M is rumored to be ready for EHang this month. So overall, it was another big update for us. We did not know that EHang is working under another name in Hejao, which is not bad. Many great developments. Let's see how long we need to wait until EHang becomes more mainstream. At the moment, EHang is still not well known. We have more interest and more investors in other 1 to 2 billion market cap stocks than in EHang. So we have to be more patient. On the other hand, we can be quite happy that we are trading so low so we can add more shares. For legal reasons, let me tell you, I'm not a financial advisor, CPA or realtor, so always consult with an expert before making a decision. Remember that your money is your responsibility and always do your own due diligence. Please like, share and subscribe to my video when you don't want to miss out on any stock information and investment opportunity. Thank you so much and see you hopefully in the next video. Thank you. Bye.